In this video tutorial, we're going to look at the lateral aspects of the hip and in particular the greater trochanter and the associated structures. So we start by putting our ultrasound on the area over the greater trochanter, the most prominent aspect on the lateral aspects of the hip. And we will see on top of the greater trochanter at this level, we can see the glute med tendon. As I wander my probe a little further more anteriorly, we will see a bony structure, a slight prominence here. This is the anterior facet of the greater trochanter, and sitting just anterior to this, we can see the glute min tendon. So quite a distinctive little notch here, just in front of that anterior facet. That's the glute min tendon. So just as we come through the whole of this scan, we go from the glute min at the front, over the anterior facet and back onto the glute med tendon. Now we can do a dynamic test here. If we just lift the ankle slightly or the foot slightly whilst keeping the knees together, we can see this rotation occurring here between the glute med and the overlying structure here, okay? So we're seeing a little bit of glute max muscle and the ITB as we rotate the hip, and the glute med is rotating in the opposite direction. Now in between these two, in the interface between these two layers, I'm just putting the pointer there, that is where the trochanteric bursa would sit. So we're looking at all of these structures here in the transverse plane, which is the best way to image these particular structures.